What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fun Cooking with Danny. I'm yours truly, Danny. Today we're gonna make you beignets. Basically, they're donut balls. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's get started. We have milk, oil, 2 eggs, baking powder. I already have the sugar and flour mixed, and I'll have the recipe in the description. And so let's go ahead and start with our dry ingredients. And well, actually, we already have that. Let's start with our wet ingredients. So we're gonna put some milk in here. Put our eggs in there, just like this. So now that we got that, put a little oil in there too. So what we're gonna do is just put our dry ingredients in there and just add it a little bit at a time. So this is what you guys want. Want it real nice and thick, but not too much and not too little. This is the consistency that you want, that you're looking for. This is pretty thick, and that's ready to go. Alright, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna use canola oil, or you can use vegetable oil for the frying. I recommend that you use those two. Don't use olive oil or grapeseed oil. It's just gonna make the oil stink and it's gonna make the donuts taste nasty. So this is good canola oil or vegetable oil. And let's go ahead and put it in here. I already have some in there that's kind of hot. I'm just gonna cool it down a little bit with some more oil. And you wanna have it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If you have like a thermometer, I suggest you use it, but you could also test it. And we'll go ahead and let that get ready. And once it's ready, we'll start frying our donuts. So we have our batter, and I suggest you use an ice cream scoop. Do about half, don't do all of it. And you want to make sure you get it nice and even once you put it in the oil. And go ahead and drop it right in here. Do some more. Don't make sure you don't add too much. You want to have just enough so you don't crowd it. That way it all cooks evenly. Alright, so this is what you are basically doing. You want to make sure you take care of your donuts. See how it's coming out to a lighter golden color. So what you want a gold color. You don't want it to be black or a dark brown, because then that's gonna be burnt. So you just want to wait about a good 2 to 3 minutes on these, because they cook pretty fast. Alright guys, so we're almost there. We're almost gonna take these out. Just want to make sure you have it nice and fully cooked on the inside. Even though it's cooked on the outside, it's very important to have it cooked inside. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and drain them out. Good color. Alright, so you want to make sure you do the toothpick test. You want to stick it in there, and if it comes out clean, then we're set. Yeah, we're good. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and coat this in sugar. Bring it right over here. And you just wanna give it a nice toss. These are perfect for the holidays. A lot of people love eating this. I love to make this for the family during the holidays. And so I'm gonna just use some jam. Nice and hot on a cold day. So I got some jam here. I'm gonna put it right on top. Make a nice big melt. So yeah, you wanna go ahead and just make a nice melt. Just like that. And those are our donuts. So if you guys want to go crazy, I know a lot of people love sugar and sweet stuff. Just go ahead and do some chocolate drizzle. So let's do that. Okay, and there you guys have it. Our beignets are complete. Donut holes, or donut balls, whatever you want to call it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, like this video, hit that notification bell, and always remember, whatever you do, always cook with love. No matter what you do it with love. Alright guys, until then, stay safe and take care. I'll see you guys next time.